Reusing door jamb hardware can save money, but only when the components are structurally sound and compatible with the repair. Start by removing the latch and strike plates carefully and inspect each piece under bright light for hairline cracks, bent edges, stripped screw holes, and corrosion. Measure the backset, screw spacing, and plate dimensions and compare them to the replacement area to confirm fitment. If measurements differ, you will spend more time adapting parts than replacing them. Test the latch operation by hand on the door edge to confirm smooth movement and no excessive play that could indicate internal wear. Check all screws for stripped heads or reduced thread depth and replace them with longer or thicker screws that reach the stud when reinforcing the jamb. When reusing a strike plate, chisel or mortise the jamb so the plate sits flush and the latch engages fully. If the strike opening is enlarged or ragged, install a steel reinforcement plate for security. Always prioritize screws that penetrate framing over shallow screws in the casing to prevent repeat failures. The most common mistake is assuming cosmetic wear is the only issue, which leads to reuse of hardware with internal fatigue. Fix this by testing mechanical function and replacing any part with looseness or play. Another frequent error is using short or soft screws with reused plates, which lets the jamb fail again. Solve this by using long structural screws to anchor the plate into the stud. People also often force mismatched hardware into an existing mortise, causing poor alignment and security problems. Correct this by measuring and either adapting the mortise precisely or choosing new hardware that matches the jamb dimensions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools for project planning, so we can help you weigh the cost-benefit of reusing hardware versus buying new. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and find practical recommendations from others working on similar door jamb repairs.